Hi guys, this is Niella and you're welcome to today's video. So today's video is this cut crease I have here. It's been a while since I did colorful makeup eyeshadow looks. I think I stopped doing colorful makeup eyeshadow looks because I wasn't getting so much engagement. Let me just put it like that. So I had to stop. But my channel is still evolving, so I decided to start off this colorful eyeshadow series again. About this eyeshadow look is pretty simple and easy to recreate. So guys, if you want to see how I create this eyeshadow look, please keep watching. You know the drill. Don't go anywhere. Guys, it's been a while since I did a voiceover, and I'm starting this makeup tutorial using the LA Girl Pro Conceal in Creamy Natural. This is going to act as an eyeshadow base for my eyeshadow to stick to, so I'm quickly using a brush to pat this into my eyelid. The first color I'm going to be using in this Tara Margaret Ekpo palette is this very lovely light pink shade, and I'm going to be spreading this all over my crease line using a pointed blending brush. I'm just going to be blending this just packing the color, not really blending. Then I'm going to go in with a cleaner brush. So guys, the next color I'm going to be using is this other dark pink shade, and I'm still using the same brush to pack this color along my crease line. This is just to make the first color I used, to be more intense. Then I'm going to be using that clean blending brush to blend everything all together, just to soften the edges. That's all. Next one I'm going to be using is this color yellow, the bright color yellow and the other pale yellow color, and I'm going to be using that same first brush I used just to pat the color gently and to soften out the edges of my crease line. I'm going in with this burnt orange shade. I know guys, you will say how many colors on one eyelid. Okay, so I'm just going to go back in and back and forth with this particular burnt orange shade. Then I'm going in with that same concealer I used initially, and I'm going to be cutting my crease. Guys, you need time and dedication to cut your crease, especially if you want a very precise line. That's a lot of people don't like to do cut crease, but for some strange reasons I think it's easier. The only hard thing is you have to be very careful when cutting your crease. Like, you need to use very precise tip, either of a brush or of a concealer. But I'm using the brush on the concealer, and I am taking my time, guys. This part of this video is also fast forwarded, but to tell you how many minutes it took me to cut my crease. So I'm taking my time so that my line can be precise and straight and thin and defined. So I'm going to be extending the line. I'm going to try to do a tiny wing there towards the outer, corner of my eye. So the next color I'm going to be using is this color from the Royale Makeup palette, and I'm going to be using two colors. The first color is the one that is the matte shade. I'm going to be patting this all over the place where I, use the concealer to cut my crease. Then I'm going to be tapping on the other color, which has a little which is also pigmented, that has little shimmers in it, just to brighten up the color I have there. So I'm going to be dragging this color all the way to my outer corner, all the way to the outer corner of my crease. So I'm going to be spreading this all the way to the outer corner, to the part where I have that little wing on the outer corner of my eyelid. So I'm just patting this gently and taking my time so as not to get eyeshadow above my crease line. So I'm going to be using this red glitter, and I'm going to be using a glitter glue to use it to trace the line on my crease. So that sharp line, that sharp cut on my crease, I'm going to be tracing the glitters, the red glitter color with a glitter glue on it. This is just to make that crease more defined. It's not like it's not defined as it is, but you know, just for the extra touch. Since I'm talking about colorful eyeshadow makeup look, so this, I think the red just makes it colorful if I do say so myself. So I'm still trying to get these glitters down into my inner corners. So guys, I'm quickly doing my mascara, and I went off camera to finish up the rest of my eye. So I had lashes on, and I'm going to be going into foundation. Since this makeup tutorial is strictly for the eye look, I'm going to speed up the remaining process of this tutorial. So foundation is from FAYRE Gold. I went ahead to highlight, contour, set my face off camera after doing my foundation with the FAYRE Gold Luminous foundation in the shade 607. Guys, I am still working. So this is my highlight using the LA Pro Conceal in Fun. Yes, I used Fun this time because I really don't like the way toffee feels on my face. So going in with my bronzer from Kylie Jenner's Wet Set. So I went ahead and I used my powder from Royale Makeup in the shade Mocha in 05 to apply powder all over my face. So my highlighter was from Kylie Jenner's Wet Set, and I just highlighted the highest point of my face. I'm going in to line my eyes with the Mabrouk Kohl black liner in black. I think I said black before. And I'm going to set my face with the Royale Makeup Face and Body Glow Mist. Guys, this glow mist is the truth. Like, can't you see the way my neck is glowing? So I'm going to be using the Davis pencil in 03 to line my lips, and using a lip color from Kiss Beauty. It's in the shade Nude to finish up this look. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I've come to the end. If you love this video, give me a fat thumbs up, share with your friends, and I will see you all in my next